Hey there, Pyro peeps, Dex here, and I'm quite stoked to show you a demo of a brand new product, fresh off the boat, by Pyro Demon called Turn Up the Night. It's a 145 shot zipper cake, so it is nice and directional. You'll have to face it accordingly towards the crowd, as the label indicates right there. But before we get to that, let's take a look at what's inside. Holy moly, that's a lot of shots. There we go, 145 shots, looks like 140, and then a 5 large shot barrage at the end. Really, really great weight to this cake. Great graphics too. I really like how it has the American flag in the lettering. Turn up the night. So, like I said, it's directional. So, face that side towards your crowd. And, oh, heavy as heck. Let's check out the performance. All right. Performance is fast speed crackling mines to multicolor comets, and a finale with crackling mines to brocade crown, silver crackles, and red strobes. All right, Pyros. Oh boy, yeah. So there we have it. Again, this is a new 145 shot zipper cake from Pyro Demon Fireworks called Turn Up the Night. Hot off the press, baby. So let's go and check it out. Here we go. Turn up the night. Big zipper cake by Pyro Demon. Brand new. Here we go. Let's hear it. Turn up the night. Woo! That's crackling mines all over the place. Now it's getting hot. Woo! Nice. Woo! Here we go, baby! Yeah!